They say love is incandescent, but I can't erase a spark. And that look in your eyes says there's no point. But I'm out here in the twilight trying to understand the dark, while your soul slips further out of joint. The smile I knew so well before is just a shadow on the floor. Can't see it anymore. I don't know what keeps you going in too close or out too far, but it looks to me like borrowed time, while you sing your heart out like the canary in the mine. I don't hear the voice that guides you, just this rattle in my heart, drowning out the words of wisdom in my head. Without being there beside you, I can't quite recall my part. End up talking to myself instead. For all the years I watched you grow, I wonder what there is to show. We may never know. I don't know what keeps you going in too close or out too far, but it looks to me like borrowed time, while you sing your heart out like the canary in the mine. After all that bold intent, the good times came, the good times went. Did they make a dent? I don't know what keeps you going in too close or out too far, but it looks to me like borrowed time, while you sing your heart out like the canary in the mine. When it all came up against you, I used to say you'll sink or swim, depending on the gospel that you choose. Spouting fatherly prescription, singing logic like a hymn, oblivious to what we stood to lose. But you know, whichever way it spins, I'm still here to take you in when you fall again. I don't know what keeps you going in too close or out too far, but it looks to me like borrowed time, while you sing your heart.